Need to change the battery in your 2013-2015 Nissan Rogue key fob? It's a simple DIY task that can save you money. These fobs use a common CR2032 battery. When the battery is low, you'll notice a reduced range or the car may beep at you. You will need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. We will be working on the assumption of using a flathead screwdriver. First, gently insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam of the key fob. Twist carefully to separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, remove the old CR22 battery, noting which side is up, plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working properly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Replacing the battery yourself can save you around 80% of the cost compared to a dealership. It's that simple.